Hey there guys, it's been a long time and I figured it's about time to start making videos again. I'm not exactly sure what this is going to look like, but it's going to be a season 2 of Chickensmoothie episodes, and I'm going to need your help guys with ideas and stuff. In this video I'm just going to kind of chit chat, and I may see if people want to trade. Just bump my topic and then talk to you guys as I'm playing. But I just finished my first year at Carson Newman University, and I'm on summer break now. I'm hoping to do more videos. I can't promise a whole bunch because I am still having to work and I have other things going on this summer. But I'm going to try to make videos for you guys. So I'm going to need your help coming up with ideas for my next few videos. So I've been on Chickensmoothie periodically for the past year. I've been on for the events and have gotten the pets for each of the events, but I haven't really sat down and played in a really long time. So yeah, I've got these guys, this month's pets. The last event that I was on here for was the Easter event, but I didn't really get many of the token pets because I was not on here very much. One thing that I am aware of is the summer event is about to start. Or they're preparing for it, anyway. And I will definitely be playing that, so I will definitely be able to get a video of that. So that'll be in some future videos, finding tokens and trading, and then also getting the pets from the events. And yeah, so nothing much has changed on my account since I haven't really played in a long time. Nothing major. I don't have anything major, except for, let's see. I can't remember if I showed you guys this, but I traded off my, what was it that I had? Peas. Traded off my peas to get the zebra. But anyway, so yeah, nothing much has changed on my account. I need help coming up with ideas for my future videos, because it's been a while since I've been on here. One thing I noticed, though, when I got on the other day was there are hardly anyone's on anymore. So I hope you guys are still wanting to see these videos, because if I post this and you guys have moved on and are watching other videos that aren't Chickensmoothie, I may just take this back down. But yeah, there used to be thousands of people online. Not thousands, but at least 1,000 people on the weekends, and that's been cut in half. There's only 500 people. And then, another thing I've noticed is, related to that, but when I'm bumping my topic, nobody's sending me trades. You see this? I think it was at 991. So 4 people saw this, and nobody's sending me trades. Oh! Never mind. Haha. Let's see. What? I'm sorry, that's a little ridiculous. Wait, let's see what their message said. Okay, they said, would this be okay? Feel free to edit. Okay, I'm going to edit this. 1 2010 rare is not worth a 2011, 2012, 15, 17, and an 18 rare. So if someone sends you a trade like this, don't do that. They're kind of ripping you off. Okay, so what I'll do is I'm removing all of these. And then I'm going to find a 2010 uncommon, and then maybe some 2010 commons as well. Just so that they have something that's from the same year as their pet. Oh, look, this guy's on their wish list. We'll do that. And then commons. Okay. Not that far, that's probably, okay, well, maybe. Oh, goodness, I don't have that many 2010 commons. I guess they're mostly uncommons now, because, okay, we'll go back to the uncommons and do another. I have so many of these cats, it's not even funny, so we'll just do that one. How's that? How's this instead? And then we'll do a smiley face. Can't forget the smiley face. Okay, and then we'll see if they accept that. yeah, guys, I really don't know what to do. So definitely maybe put some game ideas maybe that I could do within like Chickensmoothie. Yeah, I really need y'all's help. And if this doesn't really spark anyone's interest, I will go ahead and take down the video and I won't worry about doing any more episodes. But if you guys still are looking for videos, because I know that many of you have asked, I will do that. You guys need to give me ideas. And also, if anyone wants to be friends, just send me a message and I can become friends with them. I don't bite, I promise. Oh, you know what? I'm just brainstorming right now. This is kind of a boring episode because it's just kind of like, I'm more of rambling than I am playing. But my little guinea pig, Anna, passed away a couple weeks ago. And this collection was done in Ruby's memory, which was my first guinea pig. But now I might like try to complete this collection. Like I may be more motivated to do that now that Anna's gone as well. So it's not only in Ruby's memory, but it's also in Anna's memory. So anyway, I have a trade. It's probably the same one, either declining or accepting it. Oh, no, whoa, it's another person. What? Look at that. That was so kind of them. Now, there is a month gap there, as you can see. This is March, and this is July, but I'm not really going to care about that. I'm not the kind of person that really cares about that, typically. They did not need to give me a rare to make up for that gap, but that was very kind. So I'll say thank you. Typically, if someone sends me a message or sends me a trade without a message, I don't send a message back, but that was kind. I like this trade. It's a good trade. I also wanted this, so I'm putting that in my favorites, because, like I said, for the Easter event, I wasn't able to really get any of the token pets, because I wasn't on there enough to, like, find banners and get, like, the Easter eggs or whatever. So cute. Another thing I noticed is everybody's getting like store pets now. Like everybody. So all the new store pets that are coming out are rares. Like the last time I saw a very rare was like at the beginning of 2020. They were the zebra chicken things. Those are the last store pets that were very rare. Oh, I don't even have them in here. What? That's weird. I thought I had them in there. I know I have them in here. Yeah, these guys. These are the last store pets that were very rare. Kind of disappointing, but I guess the game's evolving, right? Alright, we'll see if we get that trade back. I don't think we will in this time frame. Or while I'm still making this. Oh, as you guys can see, I'm just piggybacking on what I was saying earlier about nobody being online. 2 minutes ago. This guy posted 2 minutes ago. It used to be where they were all less than a minute ago, and like there was a new trade every like 2 seconds. Or a new post, not trade. Well, trades were more common as well. But yeah. So anyway, leave ideas in the comments. If you guys are no longer looking for Chickensmoothie videos, put comments on what kind of games you want to see, because I can play other games. I play horse games like Equiverse, and I don't really play it very often, but I also like play horse with a W sometimes. Not very much. I play Equiverse more. But if there's other games that I'm unaware of that are like new and popular, let me know so I can make an account and start making videos for them. But I'm open to anything, guys, so leave your ideas and your suggestions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.